guys, so today I got slime on Sunday. The Sunday that passed. And I colored it purple. It looks like a spider web blanket. Guys, where's my manners? Where I got the slime was at the movie theater.
What? I thought it was at the mall.
Mall movie theater.
Mall movie theater, okay.
It's a mall, but there's a theater there. So, mall movie theater. Movie theater mall. Okay? And where I got this was when you go, but if you go to Santa's Day, you can go to this house that is red and pink. And then after you go there, you can go you go to you go to Santa's Day, and there is this big old building. And if you go in there, there's a lot of stuff. There's like food, panda, a lot of stuff, Chinese food, whatever. And if you walk around all the place, you'll see a place, and there will be slime, and it will say Slime Kitchen. That's where you get it from, okay? And I got it there because I was like, T, go over there. So that's how you get your parents to say, please cry. Bye.